Hello everybody, we are Damaris, Milena, Fabio, Alexander, Carlos, and Luis, and we are accounting assistants. We then award the competent we can prepare financial report, evaluate financial resource, and recognize financial resources in accordance with the methodology and regulation.
The objective of the FIFO inventory method process is to ensure that the merchandise that was purchased at the beginning are the ones that will be sold first. To have control of the merchandise that leads and enters the company and to obtain the total investment figures, the expenses and profits generally daily.
The following video discusses the next steps in developing the FIFO inventory method process. Obtain the total of the purchase. Obtain the total value of the sale. Calculate the existential balance. Calculate the amounts of the merchandise entered and the stored on the warehouse. Find the value of the purchase, the total VIT, and the total of the purchase.
These steps are developed as follows. First, decipher the total value of the purchase, taking into account the amount that entered the warehouse. Once the value of the obtained quantities are added, they multiply the one quantity to know total value of the purchase.
Second, find out the total merchandise left in the warehouse by subtracting the quantity sold by the quantity in stock from the last parts to know the value of the sale. Multiply the quantity in stock by unity the quantity, and so on. The value of the sale is elucidated.
Third, calculate the initial balance. When each and purchase, the initial balance are added, and when each is on sale, the balance of the last purchase is taken and subtracted to know the balance that remains in stock in inventory.
Fourth, calculating the quantity of merchandise entered and leaving the warehouse, taking into account that if it is a purchase, the final balance must vary and multiply by units quantity and in that case of sale.
The quantity in stock is taken and subtracted by the amount sold and multiplied to find the value of the sale at cost.
Finally, the detailed accounting of each injury and exit of the merchandise is carried out in order to open the total of the purchases and sales.
And third, the total of the VIT that is generated through the entry and exit of the company is obtained. For its maintain inventory control.
Conclusion. Finally, this FAFO inventory system helps us to have control of the merchandise that lies the enter the company. It also obtain the total investment figures, the expense and profits that are generated day by day.
And finally, it also helps of the keys merchandise in motion to prevent it from expiring or become unusable or obsolete. With this method is good control of size in inventory is not maintained, there may be losses.
Thanks for your attention. Bye.